I am an AI avatar created by VidAU. You can use me as your video actor.
Ready to elevate your eyewear game? Ngayon or Tapri. Our wraparound fashion. Sunglasses blend cutting-edge style with practical features that reshape what sunglasses can do for you.
Hey everyone, today we're diving into VidAU, a platform that's shaking things up in the video creation world. If you're a creator, marketer, or just someone curious about video content, stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know. So what exactly is VidAU? VidAU is a video creation and editing platform that's focused on helping people create high-quality video content quickly and easily. Think of it as a streamlined, all-in-one tool that combines video editing, AI-driven suggestions, and even templates that can boost your creativity. VidAU offers a ton of features like URL to video, description to video, video avatar, and more. Let's try its first feature, URL to video. VidAU's URL to video feature transforms any web page into a video in minutes. By pasting a URL, VidAU extracts key text, images, and essential content from the page, automatically generating a video outline. It then creates a script, suggests text overlays, and even provides options for narration with text-to-speech. Users can select from various templates and customize elements like images, voiceovers, and animations to match the content style. This feature is perfect for converting articles, blogs, or news into engaging video summaries for social media, educational purposes, or quick content repurposing, saving creators significant time.
Ready to elevate your eyewear game? Ngayon or Tapri. Our wraparound fashion. Sunglasses blend cutting-edge style with practical features that reshape what sunglasses can do for you.
Next, we have description to video feature. It converts a short text description into a full video, making content creation effortless. You simply enter a brief description and analyzes the text, generating a storyboard with visuals, text overlays, and even background music or voiceovers. This feature is ideal for creating promotional videos, summaries, or educational content. Next, we have avatar to video feature, which enables users to create videos with lifelike, AI-powered avatars that can deliver content professionally. Users choose an avatar from a variety of styles and appearances, then add text or script for the avatar to narrate.
I am an AI avatar created by VidAU. You can use me as your video actor.
With customizable backgrounds, styles, and voices, the avatar to video feature makes high-quality video production simple and engaging.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, you'll never.
We should all be thankful for those people who
We should all be thankful for those people.
The truth of the matter is that you always know the right thing to do.
We should all be. I am an AI avatar created by VidAU. You can use me as your video actor.
Next, we have templates to video feature allows users to quickly create professional videos by selecting from a wide range of customizable templates. Whether you're making social media posts, YouTube videos, or promotional content, the platform offers templates designed for different video styles and purposes. Users can easily add their own footage, text, and logos, while VidAU helps adjust transitions, timing, and effects.
Step up from the mundane and into the breezy comfort of Kufandy's linen.
The templates are fully editable, so you can tailor every detail to match your vision. This feature saves time and ensures your videos look polished and high quality even without advanced editing skills. VidAU Create Picture Avatar feature allows users to generate personalized avatars from a photo. Simply upload a picture and the AI transforms it into a customizable avatar that can represent you or any character you desire. You can adjust facial features, clothing, and accessories to match the desired look. Once created, this avatar can be used in videos, presentations, or social media content. We hope you're excited to explore all the amazing features VidAU has to offer. From creating videos with URLs to customizing avatars and using templates. With VidAU, video creation has never been easier or more efficient. If you're ready to take your content to the next level, check out VidAU and start creating today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips on enhancing your videos. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.